Hi, my name is Clarinda Hart, and I'm here to ask you to make a one-time donation to an animal sanctuary in Estacada, Oregon called Out to Pasture Sanctuary. It is a non-profit vegan sanctuary and licensed animal rescue. They provide forever homes to abused, neglected, and abandoned animals, taking in farmed animals, rescued laboratory animals, and they also work with the Northwestern Miniature Pig Association, which is probably why they have so many pigs. Here are the few of the animals and their stories. This is Lars. Lars is a pygmy goat that headbutted other goats and people. He was going to be slaughtered. This is Winston. Winston was sold to his owner for $1,500 as a teacup pig. Teacup pigs don't exist. It's all just a scam. When his owner got him, he was told that he would only get to 30 pounds. Winston currently is 200 pounds. This is Cinnabon. She was a bunny thrown from a car window and rescued by another passing car. This is one of two turkeys called Cagnia and Lacey. They were originally named Thanksgiving and Christmas because that's when their owners planned to eat them. Their owners became attached to these turkeys and couldn't slaughter them. The reason this turkey is in this getup, I guess would be what it was called, the wheels, is because their body cannot support their weight because they were raised for eating. These are just a few animals rescued or saved by the sanctuary, and with your help, they can save even more. So skip McDonald's breakfast tomorrow and make a donation to Out to Pasture Sanctuary. If donating online isn't your thing, you can also volunteer at the sanctuary or just come to one of their events. My favorite event is when they host a movie in one of their pastures. During this event, they serve dinner and make desserts, and everything is vegan, and it's phenomenal food. At one of these events, you can purchase one of these. It's a picture of one of the animals they've saved in their sanctuary at one time and a famous quote. This one is of a chicken who was going to be slaughtered because her egg production slowed down. And the quote says, "When we turn away from the reality of what we do to animals for our gustatory pleasure, we play a game of pretend like the child who covers her eyes and thinks you can't see her. And yet there she remains. Closing our eyes doesn't make violence disappear. It only closes our minds and our hearts and enables the violence to continue." Colin Patrick Goodrow. I'll leave the website on here somewhere. Who knows, maybe seeing these animals and reading their stories might inspire you to make some life changes. It might open your eyes. Thank you.